Today, I want to show you something important about language learning. Not grammar, not pronunciation. Identity. Let's take a simple example. Quark in Germany and Topfen in Austria. It is exactly the same dairy product. You can cook the same cake with both. But if you choose the wrong word, native speakers immediately understand you are not from their region. Why? Because language does not only describe reality. Language locates the speaker inside reality. The word quark comes from Slavic roots meaning curdled milk. The word Topfen comes from an old German word meaning a pot or container. So one culture names the substance. The other names the experience. And this is exactly why advanced learners hit a strange problem. They speak correctly, but they still don't sound local. Not because of accent, because of lexical identity. Vocabulary at high levels stops being translation. It becomes belonging. That is why natives recognize foreigners instantly, even when their grammar is perfect. This topic is explained in detail in the article. You will find the full explanation through the link in the comments.